We are in the thick of it now. I feel like we've really turned the corner, and things have really gotten real for us.
This week's no different, right? A couple of chances of rain, Audrey?
That's true. It's definitely feeling more like fall into winter season, and now we're going to get a taste of it surely by the time we get into the end of the week here. Let's talk about today first. We did see plenty of sunshine. The temperature was at 53 degrees in Central Park. We did have some clouds filtering in towards the afternoon, and it was a blustery day that added to the chill factor, especially in the shade earlier this afternoon. Right now we're in the 40s. We're at 46 rather, in Islip. Same number out towards East Hampton. It's 44 for you in Bridgeport. We're finding the same number in White Plains at Poughkeepsie. We're now finding 30s over towards Sussex as well as over to Monticello too. Now, a lot of these temperatures are a bit colder than they were at this time last night, and our winds are starting to weaken just a bit here. They're now sustained between 10 and 15 miles per hour, but we're still getting reports of wind gusts up to 25 in White Plains as well as Islip. 26 mile per hour wind gusts being reported out of Central Park. So it is a little bit chilly outside with that wind, but we are staying rain-free and snow-free as we go through the rest of the evening here. We had a couple of sprinkles pass through earlier, but those kind of fizzled out quickly, and much of the Northeast is quiet tonight. We should see mainly clear skies, maybe a few high-thin clouds, and that's about it. Our next focus is on this system that's currently working into the Ohio Valley. This will bring us our next chance of precipitation, it looks like by Tuesday morning. And then after that, we're watching for another system to develop across the Pacific Northwest. That's the one that we're watching for to affect us on Thanksgiving Day. All right, here's a look at the future cast. We're going to stay mainly clear tonight. Tomorrow we'll start out with mostly sunny skies. It'll be actually a really nice start to the week here. Clouds will be on the increase late in the day, really into the early evening, and then we'll start to see slight chances of rain increasing here roughly after about 10 or 11 o'clock. A cold front's approaching from the west here, and that's going to help ignite some shower activity here by Tuesday morning. So for the morning commute, it could be slick across parts of the area, and all of this rain will shift eastward by lunchtime and will break into sunshine as we round out the day on Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to stay quiet. That's a good travel day, and then our next focus will be on this system coming out of the Rocky Mountain states. This is the one that will produce wet weather for us on Thanksgiving Day. So if you have any travel plans, especially if you're driving around the tri-state area, it will be slick on that day. Now, Tuesday's rainfall will be anywhere from 1/3 of an inch out towards the east end of Long Island to roughly about 1/10 or 100th of an inch as we go further westward. Now, if you're traveling anytime this week, I know a lot of folks will be, Monday and Wednesday will be the best travel days as far as the weather is concerned. There'll be other factors, of course, with traffic and or airline situations. The worst travel window appears to be midday on Thanksgiving Day, right into the very early morning hours of Friday. So if you're driving anywhere for some Thanksgiving plans, plan ahead because it will be slick on the roadways. We're anticipating mainly a rain event on that day. 38 degrees will be tonight's low. It'll be windy too, with wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour, but the winds will lighten up tomorrow, making for a very nice start to the week with a high of 53. We're cooler as we go into Wednesday. Thursday, the rain arrives into the tri-state area. It will linger into very early on Friday, and then we'll dry it out for next weekend. But check out those high temperatures. We're only in the upper 30s a week from today. Natasha and Arthur?
Oh, so cold.
I saw 29 on the bottom.
No, that is real. All right, Audrey, thank you. The transformation of the meatpacking district is almost complete. The last of the butchers have agreed to move out. Back in the day, the